Hello, good afternoon, guys. So today's topic is going to be multi-word verbs. Do you have any clue what are those? Yes, as the title says, it's a verb that is composed by two or more words. But in this topic, we're going to see several examples of these kind of verbs. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so let's define what are multi-word verbs, phrasal verbs in this case. English class. So today we will learn common phrasal verbs, understand their meaning, and use them in sentences. At the end of the class, you will be able to identify these multi-word verbs and use those in a couple of sentences that we are going to work in the class, okay? So what is the final objective in this topic? Well, we already spoke about this, so let's check the next slide. So the meaning, what are multi-word verbs? Multi-word verbs, phrasal verbs, are verbs that have two or more words. Here I put three, but it can be more, yeah? They are formed by a verb or a particle, a preposition or an adverb. Do you remember what are the difference between these two? Here, the preposition is something that you put before the verb to give context of what is going on with the noun or with the subject, okay? It's not the same put the book under the table that put the book on the table. That are two different of prepositions, yeah? And then we have an adverb. Here you have a clue. We have verb and add. It's something that we add to our verb. For example, I can walk, right? But I can walk faster, yeah? It's not the same. Here with the adverb, we change the meaning of the verb. Or for example, he uh, walk carefully, or he walk quickly. We change the meaning of the verb. It's the same verb, but the action is transformed. In one, we are walking with a hurry. We are like we need to take a plane, or and in other contexts, we are taking care of. Maybe we are walking through a very dangerous sidewalk, for example. No. Okay, so we have here our three different kinds of multi-verb words. We have the first one, we already talked about this, phrasal verbs. These are verbs that are composed by verb and an adverb, like turn off, yeah? Then we have the prepositional verb. We have the verb and the preposition here is next, yeah? For example, we have look at. The at is our preposition, yeah? Then we have phrasal prepositional verb. In this case, we have the both of the example we talked early. We need a preposition and we need a phrasal verb or to add an adverb. For example, look forward to. Here we have a multi-word verb that is composed by three words, right? Okay, so let's do an exercise. Guess the meaning of the next multi-word phrasal verbs, yeah? I ran into my teacher's desk yesterday. Please turn off your phone. Here we have turn off. She gave up learning French. For example, let's take a look at this one. What's the meaning of give? Meaning in present. To take an object and put it in someone else, yeah? To give a pen to your sister, to your teacher, to your mom. But when we add up to give, it's transform the meaning, right? In here, what is the meaning? That she quit learning French. Yeah, it's completely new verb. So we're going to have a little discussion here. What do those verbs mean? Can you guess from the context? In this case, I already spoke about give up in learning French. So now, please, how can we discuss, please turn off your phone. What's the meaning of turn off? Write this in your notebook, okay? What do you think about this? So turn off, turn is